Yo, guys, what's up? It's Josh, the Goosebumps Fanatic 2018. Different way of saying my intro now. But anyways, guys, it's time for our calendar unboxing, also known as our calendar update for December 22nd, 2018. So, as you can see, it's The Simpsons, obviously, because you can see on the cover. And as you saw in my last video with the Christmas gifts, I showed this, and so yeah, looks very nice. Let me just open this. I already opened some of it, so I wouldn't be struggling to open it. But yeah, and it is 9 days till New Year's Eve, and 10 days till New Year's, basically. Okay. Oh, there. So, like last year, there was cardboard in here. Like always for calendars, there's always cardboard inside. So, yeah, we're December. It's about to end. This is January. Looks very nice. Looks like a real calendar compared to mine that I have right now. As you can see, February, right there. Looks nice. There's March. Also looks very nice. There's Bart's and the sculpture. April, with Homer as a nerd. And there's May, June. I know this might sound like a boring thing, just like something teaching in class, but whatever. I'm just saying that just for fun. But yeah, there's July. Then August, with Homer in his underwear in a coffee shop. September. It's actually one of those covers I have on one of my Simpsons comics, actually. September. It's October, with Ghostbusters parody, because it's October. Because that's a month of Halloween, as you can see right there. Of course you can see that because it's on the 31st, obviously. There's November and December. So this all looks really good. This will definitely fit perfectly in my room. So this is very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.